So this channel is all about making moves, and today we are making a big purchase. I am uncoordinated, don't know how to ride these things, but the Onewheel XR, fat pricing, but let's buy it. Sheesh. We find a discount code actually. This is a little expensive. Let's see if this works. Fuck. There's no chance that this works. Fuck. Float life. Alright, that's not gonna work. Fuck. Not even honey can work. Here we go. We'll see in a few weeks. Let's try to ride this thing. I'm excited to see it come in. That was a big purchase, and on a whim too.
1 week later.
Alright, it's been a week. It is that time. I saw the package outside, and I think the Onewheel is here. Oh baby, let's get into cracking this up. So for the people wondering as well, why I think that this would have been a very silly purchase of mine. If you guys don't recall the minus 30K, minus 20K video, I keep thinking it was more than it was, when I talked about how I lost that big pot at the lodge. Oh my god, this is massive. Here it is. Oh, let's pull this out. Wow, this is so big. Oh, it's massive. So there's a reason why I thought that this purchase might have been a little silly, a little bit impulsive, because when I was in Austin, I had all these burns on my arm here, and it's because I actually fell off of a scooter. If you guys don't recall, I'll just throw a thing on the screenshot. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. I don't even show you guys this. This looks unreal. The wheel looks a little smaller than I thought it would be, but yeah. Wow, I'm excited to try this out. This is gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna get a thumbnail for this too somehow. If you ever wondered how people did thumbnails on YouTube, well, this is how I do them. I record a video and it's a little cringe. Stand in front of the camera and pose a little bit. Yeah, a little cringy, but inside scoop as to how thumbnails are created. Give us this manual. Fuck it. That was a horrible toss. We don't need it. I've never ridden a skateboard before. I've never done anything. I rode a scooter in Austin to get all these road rash burns and stuff. Manual? Nah. We're just gonna struggle. Just ride the struggle bus and learn how to use this thing. Okay, so I totally lied about this manual. I don't actually know how to turn it on. So it turns on using the power switch on the side. Oh shit. Alright. It's going. So stupid. Why would... Ah! Fuck. Oh no. Cue the montage of me being an idiot. Where'd I go? Oh. For the people wondering at home, no, this is not slow down or slow mode. I really am going this slow with this thing. Alright, it's on. So, second time on the Onewheel, already vlogging it. I wanted to do something like this, where I could honestly be able to vlog and ride this all at the same time, but clearly, obviously, as I'm learning, I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna go to the park. I'm gonna go on the street. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. Bad idea. Bad idea. This thing totally wiped out. Alright. Really hurt myself here. Got scratches all over myself. Within the first, I think 5 seconds it was, of trying to vlog on the third time fucking riding that thing, I wipe out big time. Yeah, so now we're gonna drive to an empty parking lot so that doesn't happen again, and I can just put my phone, or put this camera on a tripod, not hurt myself. Originally, I thought this would be a really good idea because I wanted to have like a boosted board or a Onewheel on my trip to Vegas, because I'm not gonna have a car for a whole month there, and I wanted to be able to whip around and stuff. And yeah, and I also saw a lot of like Elliot Choi's vlogs. If you guys know who he is, he's a vlogger. He's in New York City and he's got a boosted board and vlogging, and it looks really cool to be able to like make videos, do like tasks or whatever, not drive, but maybe use this Onewheel. We've got a long ways to go. I'm also very accident prone, if you haven't noticed already. Clearly, I am not the smartest of people ever. And yeah, in Austin, I literally banged myself up doing that exact same thing, but I was on an electric scooter, and I'm not really smart and good with this kind of stuff. So practice makes perfect. We're gonna fall a whole lot. Probably should have worn something other than a tank top, but it's so hot out. Yeah, we're gonna go to an empty parking lot. We're gonna practice, gonna fall a lot, and maybe document the process of us getting better at this. Maybe I'm gonna rent out one of these in Vegas to travel around, who knows. For now, we are going to slowly learn how to use this thing, because we're so bad. Literally for 5 seconds in, I hurt myself, so. All right, we'll see what happens. All right, let's not die. The goal is to just not die, all right? That's all I got. Let's do it. Let the montage of learning begin. Hey, it's Ethan, and we're watching this because we just need to laugh at myself at how dumb I am, because immediately I let the fucking wheel grind over my skin and ankle. That one hurt, but then we start doing some loop-de-loops, and it looks like I'm actually getting the hang of it, right? Doing some spins and circles around this little, I don't even know, this little island, but then we take it to real time, because that was at 4.5x speed, and this is what it looks like I'm doing real time. I am going that slow, but we're learning. Someone cue the motivational music. Alrighty, we're back riding it. You know, just felt like I didn't really end off that video well. So we're gonna try again. We're riding somewhere different. Look at this view I've got. And I swear I'm getting better. Look at this view. I just feel like it wouldn't be right if I didn't just take this for a spin. Ride around some commercial office building, empty parking lots on a little Sunday. The issue is that I don't know what this audio sounds like because it's just so windy, but maybe I can capture some views. But we're getting better at this thing. Oh my god, as I fucking almost crash into the handicap spots. But yeah, look, all I know is that empty parking lots, no cars around. I haven't fallen yet, so I'm getting better. Anyways, yeah, maybe if you want to see some vlogs of me riding around this bad boy, I don't know, throughout the town, throughout Boston, doing errands, getting haircuts, I don't know. Might do one of those vlogs one of these days, but this is gonna be a lot of fun little toy I got. So thank you so much for watching this video. Golden hour. Editing this video off at golden hour. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace. It wouldn't be a vlog without... fuck me. That wouldn't be... I just wiped out so hard. I just wiped out so hard. I don't know if I'm... Oh, I just broke my fall. Oh, I was going up this hill. I just fucking wiped the fuck out. Oh my fucking god. I suck. I'm so bad. This was coming. I was going not that fast. I don't know why it just stopped. I don't know why. This thing just... I just wiped out in the middle of the street and then cars were driving by. Oh, man. Oh. That hurt. I just wanted to capture that for you guys. I think I'm a little banged up. Not really. Huh. It's really just my hand. I really broke my fall with my hand here. All right, time to go home. That's enough. That's enough pain for today.